What's up everybody, Aman here, and in this short video tutorial I wanna show you how to make photos look more professional in Android for free. So let's get started. So go to Play Store and search the app Litex Photo Editor. It is an unreleased app only available for developers. So if you are a developer, that is good. You can download this app. I am a developer, so I already downloaded it. So just open the app and now I show you how to make the photos look more professional. It is completely free and I show you how to edit photos in it. What's that? So I choose this photo. It is my school photo. So I edit this photo. So you can see there are many options: instant options, filter, artistic, selfie, social, text, stickers, doodle, collage, frames, and also this app makes collage and frames. And so we start from filter. So I make it X Pro, Lomo, Pluto. I like this one, Pluto. So here's Pluto. Now click the tick button if you're done, and after that just click on the artistic if you want to. I don't want this because it is look very bad. So if you want to add text, just click on text button, and now I choose my name, Aman Quatra. So here is my name. Change the color, blue, sky blue, dark blue. So there is many font options you can choose from. So I choose brush script font. Here is the, I think it's the best font. So after that you can add stickers if you want to. I just add the frames which I like. So here are many options for choose from. I choose kids birthday colors. Yes, I choose this one. So it looks very good. After that, now there are many options. I don't this is a short video tutorial, so I just show you the Pro Tools, which is the best part of this app. You can mess with these options, but I don't show you. And also this is the best part to blur your background. It is only available in Photoshop and DSLRs. So I just show you this tool. It is a very best. It is a very good tool. I like it very much. So you can see that I choose a circle on my face and other things are blur. So this is very good. I like this app very much. So you can also download this app. You can see the everything except my face are blur. So now I show you the Pro Tools, which is the best part of this app, and it is only available on Photoshop, not available on any other app. I guaranteed you, but not on a paid app, because paid apps are kind of different. So you can see that there are many options: RGB, red, green, blue, and reset option. Reset option is to undo changes. So I just so now I choose red. You can see it is looking very good. So after that, if you are done, just click on tick button. So now choose level. And the best part is also that there is no watermark in rendered images. So you can see that my images has more brightness if I choose this. So if you want, so after that, just the balance. I choose the balance option, which is the last option of the Pro Tools, which I like the most. So here is the image. I did not edit too much because it makes the video very long and wastes your time and also mine. So here is the editing. So after that, Here is the also option if you want to know to get no ads on your app, just click on the go ad free, but it is paid. And so after that you are done, and there are many options you can choose from. So after, if you want to save, just click on this icon and the image is saved. So image is saved to the LiteX. So here is the LiteX images. You can see it is the rendered images are not very good because there is a problem in my phone, so sorry for that. So if you want to get best tech news in your smartphone and other things, you can go to my website, and there are many tech news how to's I written in my website, so you can check out my website also for get best news. So here is my website, you can see it is very good. So if you want to tech news, you can go to my website. I also do reviews of many things. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a blue thumbs up, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. So my name is Aman, and I will stand in front of you. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.